All right, you guys, so I just want to show you. Here you got the SPY. You see the orange line I talked about? We broke that pattern, and everybody, people are scrambling to figure out why. And then as a crypto person, you're going to be like, well, do I short now? What do I do? You know, it's using the indicators that are on the card. So I haven't even looked at anything yet. I'm just going to go through it as quickly as possible because I got to go fishing. But check it out. There you go. You got your gap down. Now what caused that? Let's go through. Here we go. TNX. Look at the gap up on TNX. Okay, like I've been talking about, if this breaks that trend line, then you can short. Now what's cool about that is because crypto is disengaged from the market it is considered a different market. Sometimes it can lag. Okay, so what's kind of cool about that is that just happened right now, this morning, but Bitcoin hasn't responded. So TNX broke out. Bitcoin could easily test this support. Okay, it increases your odds. It's not a guarantee, but your odds are increased of this playing out right now, or something similar like this. Okay, that would be a liquidation style candle before the wheels fall off the bus. That's something that's very possible. And then you've got the dollar. This is a MAC. You're seeing, I haven't really looked at anything because like I said, I'm not really trading today, but look, you got the dollar. That's all-time high, so we got to move that one. Look at that. That's a monster. So something's happening here. Something the market doesn't like. Let's look at the VIX. Okay, so the VIX, though, if you notice, the VIX isn't getting more volatility than earlier in the week, so that's kind of interesting. So you see how the VIX is still down? That's interesting. So it could just be it's a big move that could be these macro things. So now let's look. Okay, here, and then I said about oil yesterday. Okay, so oil's pulled back to that exact level that I talked about. And that's kind of it, guys. I'm going to keep it short, but I just wanted to show you, I had seen real quick that the SPY had sold off, and I go, okay, now what caused that? Well, if we go down, here we go. Was it news related? Was it like something that happened in the world, or was it something that happened on the macroeconomics that caused this move? That's the question to ask, right? And then I'll do real quick. Let's go over the KuCoin list because I haven't done this lately. See, none of these have really, they're all down by 5%. Matic is staying strong-ish. Let's go look at Matic real quick. Yeah, see, Matic, if you want to short Matic, which I've already done, so I'm holding that, but you could short there at 0.9533. And this is, I guess I should put up the Telegram thing someday. So all of these are probably going to look the same. So what I would watch for, right, you want see if you get a little bit of bounce now going into, if today is Thursday, going into Friday. If you see further selling, maybe I'll do another video when I get home. But this is one of those deals. What I'm pointing out today is this is one of those deals where you might short at support, which I didn't expect to see today, because you may not get this move here. You may just get a move down to here. Okay. They're all going to look the same. Now, something like this, so if you see a chart that looks like Axie, remember I had talked about shorting up here. You can see the the line. So okay, so when you see a pattern where you're at support already, you just want to be careful. So what you're going to do is, you see how you're at the support level here. So you zoom in real close, and then because it's at leverage, and then I will set a buy order right around here, 14.967. I'm going to keep, that's it for today. I got to go. But that's how it's looking. These are some of those plays that you can short at support, but it's risky. So I'd wait for a little bit of, you might wait for a little bit of a bounce. And or not. I mean, things can flip around on you. So I'm not saying to do this. I'm just saying it's possible. But it's also possible, the other thing to keep in mind is that this can become a reversal pattern. So you could see the weekly close on the SPY end up above this orange line and back into this pattern by Friday if you wanted to be safer about it. And then you could watch for that, and then that could end up being a reversal pattern where you actually get the bounce like that, which is, to me, seems to make more sense, but I didn't expect to see what I saw this morning. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys, that's enough.